I got some homemade flies, going to do some saltwater fly fishing in Blythe. Got a little 5-weight Orvis Bat and Kill, one of my favourite reels. Sorry, that's a 6-weight. Loaded with some 6-weight fast sinking line. A little 6-weight rod, very cheap. Crystal River Cahill. Let's go do some fishing. So in Blythe again, a little bit windy for fly fishing from the pier. We're going to have 1 hour session on the pier with a Cuban yo-yo, and then we'll go down the quayside and do some fly fishing. So here's the first fish of the day. Decent little codlin. Caught by Ryan. Here's the second fish of the day. Got it on the fly rod. It's a little cod. And there's the fly. That's a really pretty little fish. Sorry for the crotch shot. Barely lip hooked. Here's number 4 on the fly rod. Then I'm going to switch the flies. Oop. Another nice little codlin, pretty. Here's number 4, I think. 5. Change the fly. Where is it? There it is. A little bit more bling. Here's number 6 on the Cuban yo-yo. Third species of the day. Second, sorry. It's a whiting. Here's number 7. Male crab. Right, here's the 8th fish of the day. Whiting on the fly rod. Sure, press a red button. No. Ah, shut up. Huh? I've changed the fly again to one of the fuzzy ones. Got him right through the eye. And that's a whiting. And away you go. And then you can press it. Is it on? Aye. Here's number 9, I think. Is it Ryan?
Aye, 9.
And that's the 4th species on the fly rod. It's a coalfish. And that is that. And now you can switch it up. Here's number 10, another codlin on the Cuban yo-yo. Here's number 11, another little whiting on the yo-yo.
Now it is.
Number 12. Oh, it's falling off. What a shite.
So what you would do?
Switch it up. Here's fish number 12 on the fly rod. He's totally engulfed that fly. Another crotch shot. The fly's getting a little bit messed up. Still good though. And then a little whiting. Here's number 13. Nice little coalfish, getting a little bit bigger. There's number 14. Where is it?
Wrap round your wall.
Waiting. There's Ryan's fourth fish. Well, that's it for today's video. Had a lot of fun today, just catching little fish on the fly rod. Mainly just wanted to test out some homemade flies. Didn't bother using these two. Tried out these two were great. Might try out this one. These two might be good for pollock. But I can separate them. Very simple. I'll do a separate video on how I made them, but they're a very simple fly to make. I tie them to the leader with a perfection loop. Gives them a little bit more action in the water, I think, than a standard grinning knot. But those were the two flies of the day. And how I had the reel set up, I do it a little different to other people. I just used about 5.5 feet of 10-pound mono, and I tied that straight to the fly line, again with a perfection loop. So I might get wrong off of the perfectionists, but that's how I do it, and it works. So yeah, that's the end of my video for today. A lot of fun. Was really shocked to catch the cod. I mainly just went out for coalfish. I saw some people using daylights the last time I went out, and they were catching coalfish on those. So I thought I would have a go fly fishing for them. And like I said, I was really shocked to catch the codlins. I didn't even know you could catch cod on fly. I might even be the first person to catch a cod on the fly. I don't even know if people bother trying, but obviously it's possible, as you've seen. So yeah, that's the end of my video for today. Next video, I keep on saying I'm going to be talking turbot on George Bay, but I will try and do that in the next video. I'm not going to promise anything, but I will try. Might be a bit late in the year, but we'll see. So yeah, that's the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Had a lot of fun today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Tight lines everyone, and have a good day.